Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to change the language in LinkedIn. This is particularly useful if you're more comfortable navigating in your native language or if you're learning a new language and want to practice while using the platform. Let's walk through this quick and easy process. First, open your web browser and type linkedin.com into the address bar. Once the page loads, you'll need to log into your account by entering your email address and password. Make sure you're using the correct credentials associated with your LinkedIn profile to avoid any login issues. After you've successfully logged in, you'll be taken to your LinkedIn homepage. Now direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see your profile picture. Click on your profile picture, and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, look for and click on the option labeled Language. This is where LinkedIn allows you to customize your language preferences to better suit your needs. Once you click on Language, you'll see a drop-down menu appear on your screen. This menu contains all the available language options that LinkedIn supports. Click on this drop-down to expand it and browse through the list of languages. You'll find a wide variety of options from English and Spanish to Japanese and Arabic, among many others. Take your time to scroll through and locate the language you want to switch to. When you've found your preferred language, simply click on it to select it. Here's the beauty of this feature. LinkedIn will automatically apply the change immediately. You don't need to click any save or confirm buttons. The platform will refresh, and you'll instantly see the interface transformed into your chosen language. All menus, buttons, settings, and text throughout LinkedIn will now appear in the language you selected. And that's it. Your LinkedIn is now displaying in your preferred language, making it easier for you to navigate and engage with the platform. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.